So with the Unpacked event less than a week away from this point, we have arguably the biggest leak so far regarding the Galaxy Z Fold 4 that reveals some interesting never before seen details including the pricing. So first up, you see the battery size and charging speed on the Z Fold 4 will remain the same as its predecessor, which is 4400 milliamp with 25 watt of charging. But despite using the same 25 watt charging mechanism, the charging speed on the Z Fold 4 is going to be faster. A Twitter leaker, Ahmed, who has a good track record, says that the Z Fold 4 will charge up to 50% in just 30 minutes. In comparison, the Z Fold 3 charge up to 33% in half an hour. He does not mention which method Samsung is using, so surely there is something that Samsung is improving in terms of hardware or software, which we could see in upcoming days. Now, moving towards the second thing, the Z Fold 4 will feature a stronger Gorilla Glass Victus Plus protection on the cover display and at the rear as well. It is the same one that we have seen in the Galaxy S22. Third, we know that Samsung is using a new Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chip on the Z Fold 4, but we don't know how it fares against its predecessor, the Galaxy Z Fold 3. But thanks to today's leak, Ahmed mentions that the phone will have a 15% faster CPU, a massive 59% of better GPU, and will offer a massive 68% better NPU performance than the Z Fold 3, which is massively year-over-year upgrade. This means that you will have a better gaming performance and AI will also do tasks better. Plus it's also 30% more efficient, which means a noticeable improvement in battery life. One of the biggest reasons why we are seeing these huge gains is that TMC is the producer of these chips for Qualcomm instead of Samsung. TSMC nodes are better than Samsung and we can clearly see that here. There is a generational improvement in the 8 Plus Gen 1 over the 8 Gen 1 despite being launched in the same year. Anyway, he also mentioned that the peak brightness of the Z Fold 4 will reach up to 1000 nits, which I don't believe that is going to be true because the Z Fold 3 has a 1200 nits of peak brightness. So I'm sure that it could be even better. Anyway, moving on, we also have the pricing info from Korean sources and they say that the Z Fold 4 will cost you same as the Z Fold 3, which is going to be $1799. With less than 7 days away from the Unpacked event, I guess we will see soon enough how the device is going to be looking alike. And here is the Galaxy Z Fold 4 Note package that includes an S Pen, a case to store it, and a charger. I'm sure Samsung will be bundling as a pre-order gift, but that will depend upon the market because pre-order freebies differ from different countries. But rest assured that Samsung will sell this as accessories for you to buy. Also, here are the protective screen covers for the front display, which is basically signifying that Samsung Z Fold 4 will not be coming with a screen protector installed, similar to the S22. Anyway guys, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe for the latest update. Thanks for watching. Peace.